Hi guys, you're watching Gravity Flying India and this is Shoaib Malik. And today we are having a plane high wing trainer. Its name is Comet by Gravity Flying India. You can see the plane. Today we will be taking the same measurement with the two different kind of material. First of all, this is a EPS type of foam, and the second we are having EPP type of foam here. So what is the difference between them? Like this is a hard material, you can see. And in the second type of plane, this is a spongy type of foam. So this is rigid than the other one. And what are the main difference between these two planes is it's having a like angle on the wing, you can see here, and it's having a same angle on the wing. So but like we'll be taking the same measurement for both the plane. So let me go ahead and start with the making of this plane. This is our second step, and the items required for this plane will be, like as I told you in my first video of the fighter plane, here also will be requiring the corrugated sheet, then EPS thermocol and EPP thermocol, then the cutting tools, colored tape. Let me focus on the measurement of this plane. You can pause here and zoom in for the measurement. This is wing and the top and bottom portion. As you can see, we have marked on the corrugated sheet as per the measurement. तो अब हम इस corrugated sheet को as a die use करेंगे fuselage wing and the top of the fuselage cover. इसे हम EPS थर्मोकॉल पर और EPP थर्मोकॉल पर इस पर रखने के बाद हम इसे कट करेंगे. This is step 3. According to this diagram and this wing diagram. सबसे पहले हमने फ्यूजलाज का और विंग का एक डाई बनाया कोरोगेटेड शीट से. Then इस corrugated sheet के जरिए we have marked on EPS type of thermocol everything: wing, fuselage, tail section, elevator, rudder. Then with the help of the same die of corrugated sheet हमने EPP type of foam के ऊपर भी marking किया. Fuselage, wing, vertical stabilizer and horizontal stabilizer elevator. This is step 4. इस स्टेप में हमने हर डाई को EPS के ऊपर रख के कट किया है. Like this is EPS foam and same डाई को हमने EPP foam के ऊपर रखा, then उसे कट किया. सेम प्रोसीजर हमने फ्यूजलाज के साथ भी की है. इस कोरुगेटेड शीट को एज अ डाई यूज करके EPS thermocol के ऊपर रखने के बाद कट किया. Then we pasted on EPP thermocol, then we cut it. Then next is a rudder, vertical stabilizer. This is a die, EPS thermocol, EPP thermocol, and this is a horizontal stabilizer, elevator. Our next step is to put all the parts together, and we are assembling the aircraft now. First we are taking EPP type of thermocol. We will be pasting the tail section first of all. So we have pasted with the help of glue gun the horizontal stabilizer, the tail section. Now we are just going to paste the main wing. Now we will paste the wing on the fuselage with the help of glue gun. Now we will paste the fuselage with the help of glue gun. We are just putting a drop of glue on the wing. Make sure your glue must not be much more hot. After the main wing, we are just pasting the vertical stabilizer, rudder. spread glue equally. This is a EPP type of foam and we are using this plane as a glider. We will be using a rubber band, and so basically it's a chuck glider. So our next step is we will make a chuck glider with the help of EPS type of foam. First of all, we have pasted horizontal stabilizer. Then our next step will be the main wing. We are just putting a drop of glue so that we should not have more weight on the plane. और यहाँ हमने tail section भी paste कर दिया for tail and horizontal stabilizer. See how the whole aircraft looks like. So our next step here is to have a glide test with both the planes. We will take each plane one by one. First of all, we will be taking EPP type of foam plane. So this is EPP foam and we are doing gliding test. Oh, it's a bit tail heavy, so we need to add some weight in this nose section. Now we will do glide test with the EPS type foam. This is EPS type foam plane and just launching it. Oh, both planes have the same characteristics. Both are the tail heavy. So now we need to add more weight in the nose section of both planes. So let me add the weight and then again we will do a glide test. As you see in a glide test, we need to add weight in a nose section. So we have just added in the bottom of the wing, bottom of the fuselage. This is a 1 rupee coin. We have just pasted here. And in the second plane, we have pasted 1 rupee coin here. So now we will do a glide test. सेकेंड हब हम लेंगे EPS टाइप फोम प्लेन ग्लाइड टेस्ट के लिए. परफेक्ट, दोनों का बैलेंसिंग दी बेस्ट है. नाउ वी विल गो इन अ फील्ड टू हैव अ लॉन्गर ग्लाइड टेस्ट. So first of all, we are taking a EPS type foam for the glide test, and here is the glide test. Launch. Perfect. The second glide test. Launch. Wow, this is the perfect balanced launch. Good. Now it is good. Actually, both the planes are designed for the indoor game, so they will be best gliding having in the hangars. So let me move ahead. Thanks for watching Gravity Flying India, and this was a plane Comet by us, and best of luck guys for you to make this plane. And we are coming back with the next video. This plane is F-22, so we are coming back with this measurement and making video of the same plane. So please keep watching our Gravity Flying India and subscribe to us.